Hi everybody, my name's Leah here at my sewing room. Today we are going to be unboxing Bernina's new special edition 790 SE and its really sweet accessory pack. So excited that this has arrived and can't wait to hook some lovely new owners up with their fancy new machine. So let's take a look and see what's in this box. Bernina is great at packaging their product. And they have all sorts of goodies. So in your first top layer of styrofoam, you've got your big extension, slide-on extension table. And the all-important desiccant pack. And a gift pack of thread. Get you started. So you never get home without thread to start sewing with. This is the Bernina freehand system. It is your knee lift, which will help raise and lower your presser foot on your sewing machine without taking your hands off your project. Also in this layer, this is a slide-on table seam guide. It will clip on. Right there. Totally adjustable, gives you a nice long seam guide. The all-important power cord. And then Bernina packs all their extras into tiny little packages for you. That's full of wonderful treasures. There's your set of Bernina bobbins. A straight stitch plate that you'll use for embroidery and straight stitch piecing or quilting. The special oil you need for your Bernina 7 series machines. Stylus to drive your touch screen. And then a wonderful assortment of presser feet. Wonderful selection of feet. This is your number 1D reverse pattern feed foot. There's a 2A, which is an overcasting foot. A 4D is a dual feed zipper foot. 40C is a pattern stitch foot for the wider designs your machine can do. Number 5 is blind hem foot. Number 20C is an open toe sewing foot. Number 8D is a jeans dual feed foot. And then there's a USB stick. I haven't opened this yet, so my best guess is this includes all the bonus embroidery designs that come with this machine. Our next fabulous little tin is the Bernina stitch regulator. The Bernina stitch regulator, I like to call it Bernina's laser guided magic foot for free motion quilting. It comes with 3 different soles, an echo quilting sole, a regular toe, and an open toe foot. So you choose whichever one works best for you, and it plugs in. It's super cool to play with. And then this fabulous box is called the Foot Garage, or Bernina's accessory box. Other people might call it the Barbie box. Whatever you call it, this is your storage for all these great things that are coming with your machine. So first up in there, your little gray screwdriver. This will open and close your needle screw if your fingers can't grip that screw. And we have another box of goodies. In this great bag, there's 2 foam discs. Those are for your vertical spool pin. Bernina has 3 sizes of spool caps: large, medium, and small. The greatest accessory ever. It's the height compensating tool. It allows you to go over thick seams, start on thicker seams without your stitches piling up. A tiny little red screwdriver. You probably won't need it. You have a seam guide for the right-hand side of your feet that will screw into the back of your presser feet. A Torx Allen key. I'm not going to tell you how to use that. Top secret. Lint brush. And even though we all want to be perfect, you might need a seam ripper. Bernina makes a great little seam ripper. And it would be a shame to get started at home with a new machine without enough needles for a variety of projects. Those can also live back there. And then the other thing hiding in your garage is the rest of your foot pegs. So all those lovely presser feet that you got in that first box, they get to live hanging in here. With more space to add feet as you need. Next and final layer of top styrofoam is the all-important user guide and manual. In with your user guide and manual, your certificate of guarantee, quick reference sheets that are laminated. They can live beside your sewing machine as you're getting to know all the great functions on your Bernina 790 SE. And if you accidentally spill coffee on them, they're very cleanable. Beautiful user guide, lays flat as a workbook when you're trying to learn something in your new machine. And an accessory guide. Your machine didn't come with everything Bernina makes, but this will help you pick and choose what accessories will be great for you moving forward. On to the good stuff. You have a dust cover for your machine. It also has pockets. It'll work for helping you transport your machine. Also way down in the bottom is your 3A, which is your buttonhole foot. Way down this side is your Bernina advanced foot control. You're able to toes down to sew or drop your heel to use the needle up, needle down function. It makes your sewing way more efficient. And then, the big reveal. 790 SE is not a little machine. I would say leave it on the floor when you're pulling it out of the box. Nice, strong, sturdy handle for carrying it. You guys want to see how pretty it is? Ready for the big reveal? Before we get started, we'll want to take the little security thing off the presser foot. And other things when you get your brand new Bernina. Usually they ship with a protective covering on the screen. Normally I can see how to take them off. You'll want to take that off before it decides to glue itself on there permanently. And it also ships with plastic covering the free arm cover. So the bed of the machine may come off easily and it may not come off easily. This is the most satisfying part of your new machine, is peeling all this stuff off. And I know it's tempting to leave that all on when you get your new machine, but again, this plastic coating will cook itself on and become super gooey if you leave it in place. I'll get the rest of that when I can see it. So there she is. Check out the stunning artwork on the front of that machine. And all that throat space. So much space to work in, so much space to quilt in, so much space to embroider in. And then, because a pretty machine isn't enough, it comes with extras. 790 SE also comes with a new color of Bernina luggage. Currently, all the luggage available is black. The new trolley bag is blue. Beautiful navy blue. Not getting into that easily either. This will drag around for you like a trolley bag through the airport. And then there might be more presents inside. Ooh, ooh. I haven't actually opened this yet. This is actually very exciting. The first thing in there is a giant pack of OESD stabilizer and tearaway tape to get you started on all your new embroidery projects. There's Bernina's Big Book of Embroidery, fantastic reference book for learning to do embroidery and continuing if you're already an embroiderer. The maxi hoop, which is the largest hoop your Bernina 790 can embroider with, which gives you 400 millimeters by 210 millimeters in embroiderable space with a lovely ratcheting closure on it. Very easy to do, even if you have arthritis in your fingers. And then more stuff in here. And in here, ooh, your Bernina 790 SE is also coming with a full copy of Bernina V8 embroidery software. I don't know if there's any more credit tied. Look at all this cotton. It's great. Extra styrofoam to pack smaller. That is all the treasures hiding in the kitchen. So exciting. Thanks for joining me. I hope we can hook you up with one of these nice machines.